In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash on delivery on AliExpress. If you prefer to pay when your package arrives rather than upfront, cash on delivery, often called KOD, can be a convenient option. I'll walk you through how to find it, how to check out with it, and what to expect once your order is on the way. Start by opening the AliExpress app or visiting the website and sign into your account. Being logged in matters because the platform shows payment methods based on your saved shipping address. Take a second to confirm your delivery address is correct, since eligibility for COD can change by city or postal code. Next, choose the product you want. COD only works on selected items, so don't assume every listing will offer it. Some sellers display a small note or icon about cash on delivery on the product page, but sometimes you'll only see the option later at checkout. If COD is essential for you, consider browsing a few listings from different sellers to improve your chances of finding one that supports it. When you're ready, tap or click Buy Now and proceed to checkout. Make sure you've selected the right color, size, or variation and confirm the shipping address and shipping method. These details can affect whether COD appears, so it's worth double checking. In the payment section, look for cash on delivery. This is the key step. If you see it, great, select it. If you don't, that usually means one of three things. The seller doesn't support COD, your location isn't eligible, or the chosen shipping option doesn't allow COD. You can try switching the shipping method, or go back and choose a different seller offering the same product. Sometimes simply changing the warehouse or courier option can make a difference. Once COD is available and selected, place your order. From here, you won't pay online. You'll pay the courier when the item arrives at your door. Have the amount ready in cash and keep an eye on your tracking updates so you're available at delivery time. In some areas, couriers might accept card, but it's safest to have exact cash. If you need to cancel, do it before the seller ships. Refusing a delivered package can affect your account standing or your ability to use COD in the future. That's it. Open AliExpress and log in, pick a product that supports COD, proceed to checkout, choose cash on delivery if it appears, and confirm your order. With these tips, you'll know exactly what to look for and how to complete your purchase confidently.